In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update eBay billing address. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your account and how to make sure the right billing details are on file for your payments and pickups. First, sign into your eBay account. From the eBay homepage, move your mouse to hover over your name in the top navigation bar. Don't click yet, just hover. This opens a quick menu that gives you shortcuts to your account. It's an easy way to jump straight into the settings without hunting around the site. From that menu, click Account Settings. This takes you to the main hub for everything related to your profile, security, buying, and selling. If you manage multiple addresses or payment methods, this is where they all live. Give the page a second to load so all options appear. On the left or within the main sections, find and click Addresses. This page collects different address types you might use on eBay. It's normal to see separate sections like shipping, returns, and addresses tied to payments. Don't worry if the layout looks a little different depending on your region. The wording is consistent enough to guide you. Next, look for the section labeled Payment and Pickup Address. This is the one you want for billing. eBay refers to it this way because it's the address connected to your payment method and, in some cases, store pickup details. Selecting this ensures you're updating the address that card issuers and payment providers expect to see during verification. Now, choose the option to edit. You'll be able to update the street, city, state, or region, postal code, and country. Enter the address exactly as it appears on your bank or card statements. Small mismatches like an apartment number or an abbreviation can sometimes cause payment verification hiccups. If your card issuer prefers a physical street address, avoid using a P.O. box here. Double-check spelling and numbers, and use standard postal abbreviations where applicable to help with automated validation. When you're done, save your changes. eBay may ask you to confirm your identity or re-enter your password. That's normal security. After saving, look for a confirmation message on the page and verify that the updated address now appears under Payment and Pickup Address. If you use multiple payment methods, keeping this address current helps prevent declines and ensures invoices, receipts, and any payment-related communications align with your financial records. That's it. You've successfully updated your eBay billing address. If you ever move or your bank updates your details, repeat these steps to keep everything accurate. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.